So how to check the MOT of a car, including all the MOT history. So it's nice and easy to do. The first thing is you're going to want to come onto the government website and come onto this page here where it says check the MOT history of a vehicle. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll just want to click on start now. And then once you've done that, you'll be pulled through to this page here and you'll just need to enter the car's registration number that you want to check the MOT history of. And then once you've entered the reg, you should be pulled through to this page here, which just gives you a breakdown of the car that you searched. So as for example here, you can see that we've got a silver Vauxhall Corsa, and the MOT on this car is valid till the 8th of August 2025. So at the time of recording this, it is the 26th of June, so we've got about a month and a half until this car is due for an MOT check. And if we scroll down to the bottom here, you can open up the full MOT history, which will give you the rundown of the full car's MOT life and what is passed and failed in the past. So as you can see here, the car's most recent MOT, which was done the 8th of August 2024, it had 46,000 miles on the clock and passed with one advisory about an offside rear nail in the tyre. And again, it gives you the rundown of all the car's MOT history. So for example here, we've got a fail, which was on the 8th of August 2023, but then it passed again a day later. So yeah, this is very helpful, obviously if you're on the market for a car, for example, as you'll be able to get a record of the full car's MOT life, along with any passes or fails in the past. So yeah, it's very helpful, especially when it comes to finding out if the car's reliable or not, and it might also show you a couple of things perhaps maybe the car dealer hasn't told you. But if you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for watching.